Hello and Assalamu alaikum. I'm here to discuss about KDP and which types of books we can publish under KDP thing, which type of e-books are in much demand, which types of paperback are in demand, how you can do research, how you can find the best niches, best categories, best keywords, and things related to that thing. So, we will discuss all these things briefly here. And if you want to learn these things in depth, you can find these in ACS course. So, let's start. The first thing is you have to understand the difference between ebooks and paperbacks. Ebooks are the books that you can read on any device like Kindle device. Kindle is a device on which you can read books. And paperbacks are the tangible things like normal ordinary books which you can touch and which have hardcovers and all these sort of things. After this, there are different types of you can say categories or something like that, but the first thing is you have to learn that basic types of books you can publish under KDP. The first thing is ebooks, second paperbacks, third hardcovers, and then you can go for low content books and no content books, public domain books. These are the basic things you can publish under KDP or Amazon Kindle. After that thing, in public domain books, you can take any book that completed 100 years of its duration, so there will be no copyright violation and all these sort of things, and you can make changes, the required changes that can make that book unique or different, and then you can sell that book on Amazon. After that thing, ebooks. There are ebooks. You can create anything, you can create any content, like you can go for fiction, non-fiction, or any general topic. You can take any general topic and write on that thing, but make sure the content will be unique. You are not allowed to copy anyone else content and publish it with your name, because there are two options while publishing on Amazon, that do you own the copyrights or not. So if you are going to publish it under ebook and you think you have a unique content, you can go for the I own the copyrights, else you can go for the other option. But you have to make unique things and you have to write unique content. You are not allowed to copy anyone else content and publish it with your name. After that thing, there are paperbacks. Like if you created a book, like suppose ABC is your book and you created ebook, you can publish same book with the paperback. So you don't have to publish it like independently on some other platforms for the ebook section. You can publish same book for ebook and for paperback. Recently KDP added a hardcover thing, so if you have that option, you can publish same book for the hardcover thing too. After that there comes low content books. Low content books considers journals, sketchbooks, something like that. Then it comes no content books. It considers registers, diaries, or something like that, that don't have any content in them. So these are the things you can publish on the Amazon KDP. After that thing, it comes how to find the best niche, how to find categories and all these sort of things. The first thing is, while publishing, you have to keep few things in mind, that your title and your subtitle are the basic things that play a vital role in your success, in ranking, in having sales. So find the best niche, use the perfect keyword in your title and subtitle. After that, title and subtitle plays 80% role in your success. After that, categories come, keywords fall, and all these sort of things. But title and subtitle are the basic and main, or you can say important things in your success or in having sales. नहीं, KDP कोर्स कंप्लीट नहीं है, ये कंप्लीट हो जाएगा बहुत जल्दी. After that thing, how to find a best niche. There are lots of ways to find, like how to find a niche. The most simplest way is just go to Amazon, click on all, find the top products, like which products are in more demand. You can go for all, not for just specifically for Kindles or for books and all these sort of things. You have to go for all, find the most selling products. You can choose your niche or topic related to those most selling products, and then you can go for more research and go for things like, if I find that topic, like let's say the health products are in much demand and they are more in sale or something like that, you can choose the topic of fitness or health and all these sort of things. Then you can go for books or Kindles and choose the topic or niche of fitness and health and things related to that specific niche. For the best results, you have to dig down, you have to go in depth. Like if you chose a topic of fitness, you have to dig down, you have to go in subcategories. Under you find the competition of under like 5k or 6k. That is a perfect thing. Once you find that, you have to find the best keywords. Use that, like fitness or weight loss or anything. You can say, let's say weight loss is our main keyword. Use that keyword in your title, under your subtitle, and after that you will go for the manuscript. Like you have to write the script for your book. Once all these three steps are completed, then you have to go for right categories. There are lots of books that are placed under wrong categories just to have sales, so Amazon de-rank those books. So you have to place your books under right categories. Then we will find the keywords. Like there are different ways of finding keywords. You can use different tools, free tools, paid tools, or things like that. Or you can use Google for this keyword research. And after that thing, cover falls. Like cover is the basic and most important thing. After title and subtitle, you have to make your cover descriptive. Like your cover have to explain each and everything. Like if it belongs to fitness, it has to define that this book is for fitness. You have to make a cover that explains whole idea behind your book. It should be complete, it should be descriptive, it should be informative. You don't have to fill it with the lots of text and all these sort of things. While writing title or subtitle on your book, you have to use clear, classy, elite font. You don't have to write a font that that makes it hard to read. So while creating a cover, you have to keep in mind that the text you are placing on your cover, it should be easily read, or it should be easily visible. Like you have to choose those types of colors that can be easily read and all these sort of things. Then you have to mention your author name. Then on the back side of your book, book cover, you have to write brief description about your book, or you can add some spices. Like you have to give a reason to a buyer that why he or she should buy your book. After all these sort of things, while publishing, you have to write description. The description is the basic thing, that you are providing the buyer a reason to buy your book. You can give suppose if your book falls in the category of fiction, you can give a glimpse of your book, and you can add few lines of curiosity, so the buyer can easily read that thing, like this happened in this book. For knowing next thing, he or she should have to buy that book. You have to add crisp, spices, curiosity. You have to give a reason to a buyer so he or she can buy that book. After that, if it's in non-fiction, you can explain few things, and you can mention that if you want to learn something more about this in depth, like about more tips and something like that, you can buy that thing or something like that. You have to give a reason in simple words to buyer that he or she can buy that specific book. So this is the brief thing about how you can create a book, how you can do covers and all these sort of things, descriptions. So let me know if anyone has any question um, about KDP, about these things. And the most important thing is you don't have to pay anyone for the creation of account. The creation of account is so simple. It's just of 3 or 4 steps. You just have to add your name, your billing address, you have to connect your payment mode or something like this. You don't have to add anything. You can create your Amazon Kindle account from Pakistan without any VPN, without any VPS. You don't have to worry about that thing. So these are the basic things about which I was being bothered by lots of people. So let me know if anyone has any questions, so we can discuss them here. So this is the brief thing about KDP, about Kindle, and all these sort of things. And most important thing is, while having low content books and the books, no matter it's low content or it's e-books or paperbacks and all these sort of things, while having images or illustrations or something like that in your book, you have to make sure that those are not copyrighted things. Like there are lots of people who just take images or things from free pics and from internet or from Google, and they think that if they change things little bit or bit more, they can use it for like themselves and all this sort of thing. No, this is not a thing. You have to create your own thing, because that will lead to a copyright and your account could get banned. So make sure whatever you have, it should be yours. Is there any limit of pages a book must contain? Not such, like you can go for 4,000 or 3,000 pages, so it is not a big thing. Also, you can find a book template, like if you want to have a template, so you don't have to work on the pages or margins or on sizes and whatever the things are. You can download templates from Amazon's website, whatever the size you want to, whatever the number of pages you want, so you can go for that thing easily. Also, from Amazon website, you can download the cover templates for creating covers according to their margins and all these sort of things, including the number of pages, so you can have the right size of spines and all these sort of things. So this is a way you can get the templates of covers and for the manuscripts. About the promotion of book, like let's say if your book is done and you want to promote for the ebooks, Amazon is giving you a free promotion for 5 days. Within 90 days you have to run your free promotion for 5 days. So it depends on you how much you want to use for the first few days. Like you can run it for 3 days and start, and after 15 or 10 days you can use your 2 days more, and after that thing You can promote your books on different social media platforms if you have a good following, or you can hire influencers, or you can go for Twitter or Instagram, or you can use PPC or CPC. Then um, yes, these are the things through which you can promote your book. Ranking book is so easy if you are good with research, if you do a great work in the start. Like there are lots of people who are publishing books without hitting or without targeting a keyword. Like they just write a book because they want to, and after that they are complaining that we are running ads and we are not having sales. So you have to keep this in your mind, that you have to target a keyword, you have to focus on the basic thing, you have to find a best niche, and don't jump into much saturated niches or much saturated categories. Like if you find a category, if you want to write under a category and you find it a saturated one, go in its depth. Like you have to go in the roots of that specific niche or that specific category, and then you can find a good match for you, and you can write under that thing, and you can rank easily and have sales for that specific book, and you don't have to worry about that thing. Yes, Sarim, I am giving. So this is all about the overview or the basic idea of KDP. I will try to do live sessions. Also, I will try to complete the courses and all these sort of things. But I will try to do live sessions regularly on the specific topics, so we can have discussion on that specific topic, and the rest of you can learn from those things. So let me know if anyone has any question. Else I'm going to end this live session, and I will try to do live session tomorrow with a specific topic. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Peace out.